Hello and welcome to Ajayasthro Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today we'll discuss the recent surge in ICE cotton futures, breaking a 5-day losing streak, and what it means for the market. On Thursday, ICE cotton futures experienced a notable rebound, thanks to stronger than expected US economic data, which boosted demand prospects. The December cotton contract rose by 25 points, closing at 68.90 cents per pound. Similarly, the March and May contracts gained 25 and 20 points, settling at 70.66 and 72.02 cents per pound, respectively. Before this rebound, cotton prices had been on a downward trend, hitting their lowest levels since October 2020. Over the past 2 weeks, prices steadily declined due to anticipated larger yields, reduced global demand, bearish market trends, and speculator selling, driving prices below the critical support level of 70 cents. The broader market dynamics also played a role. Crude oil recovered from morning lows, rising by 77 cents to $78.36 per barrel. However, weaker federal export sales data tempered the gains. The latest export sales report revealed net reductions of 74,207 running bales for old crop cotton as of July 18, primarily due to 42,400 running bales in cancellations by Vietnam. On a brighter note, new crop export bookings reached 285,874 running bales, marking a high for forward sales, and shipments increased to 131,310 running bales as the marketing year draws to a close. ICE cotton stocks decreased by 440 bales due to decertification on July 24, leaving 38,026 bales of certified stocks. On the same day, the Kotlook A index dropped by 115 points to 79.75 cents per pound. Additionally, the USDA average world price (AWP) was cut by 140 points to 55.02 cents per pound, effective through next Thursday. Cotton's outlook remains closely tied to weather conditions in key growing regions, with a focus on expected wetter weather in the southeast. The USDA's weekly crop progress report on Monday indicated improved crop conditions, with 81% of the US cotton crop squaring and 42% setting bolls, both ahead of average paces. Moreover, 53% of the crop was rated good, excellent, an 8% increase. New crop planted acreage rose to 10.67 million acres, and harvested acreage increased to 9.67 million acres, boosting production by 1 million bales to 17 million. Projected end-of-year stocks for the 2024-25 crop year rose by 1.2 million bales to 5.3 million. Globally, old crop carryout dropped by 1.66 million bales to 79.31 million, while new crop production increased by 1.05 million bales, leading to a total stock reduction of 860,000 bales to 82.63 million. The Commitment of Traders report indicated that spec funds remained net short 40,226 contracts of cotton futures and options as of July 16, a slight reduction from the previous week. Thank you for joining us at Ajayasthro Money Guru for this detailed analysis on the recent developments in the cotton market. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on various commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news and analysis.